Bill Gates, and newspaper vendor. Someone asked the richest man in the world, Bill Gates, is there anyone richer than you in the world? Bill Gates replied, yes, there is a person who is richer than me. He then narrated a story. It was during the time when I wasn't rich or famous. I was at New York airport when I saw a newspaper vendor. I wanted to buy one newspaper, but found that I don't have enough change. So I left the idea of buying and returned it to the vendor. I told him of not having the change. The vendor said, I'm giving you this for free. On his insistence, I took the newspaper. Coincidentally, after 2 to 3 months, I landed at the same airport and again I was short of change for a newspaper. The vendor offered me the newspaper again. I refused and said that I can't take it for I don't have a change today too. He said, you can take it, I'm sharing this from my profit, I won't be at loss. I took the newspaper. After 19 years I became famous and known by people. Suddenly I remembered that vendor. I began searching for him, and after about 1.5 months of searching, I found him. I asked him, do you know me? He said, yes, you are Bill Gates. I asked him again, do you remember once you gave me a newspaper for free? The vendor said, yes, I remember. I gave you twice. I said, I want to repay the help you had offered me that time. Whatever you want in your life, tell me, I shall fulfill it. The vendor said, sir, don't you think that by doing so you won't be able to match my help? I asked, why? He said, I had helped you when I was a poor newspaper vendor and you are trying to help me now when you have become the richest man in the world. How can you help match mine? The day I realized that the newspaper vendor is richer than me because he didn't wait to become rich to help someone. People need to understand that the truly rich are those who possess a rich heart than lots of money. It's very important to have a rich heart to help others.